tickets, so they good. They good. Boy, y'all go hard about that vote on God. Y'all go hard about that vote. Speaking of that, y'all, Victoria's Secret is open. Victoria's Secret open. Now see how I'm standing over here by myself. Shit, nobody even be mad at me. I'm over here just chilling. Bro, crazy. Bro, they're going hard. Bro, they're going hard. He in the white coat. I ain't lying. Oh, shoot. These folks, they got their shoes. They got up out of here. What's up, bro? Cooler. What's up, bro? Well, these folks came. We got them shoes, boy. Boy, y'all is on here, bro. I just look, and then they only letting like 2 people in at a time, y'all. For real. I want to see somebody's shoes though, so I can know what they look like. We got action, y'all. We got action. We got action, y'all. No. We got action. There it is. We got action. She said, don't push her. Don't push her. We got action, boy. We got action. You won't push Push it if you want to. I bet you won't push. We got TPD in the house. Boy. How about those shoes? Boy, you done crock 'em up, boy. You done crock 'em up, boss. But I ain't got nothing to do with that. I couldn't get no help. Why? Oh, yeah, we'll talk about that in a minute. Yeah. I'm on you. Oh, shit. Ma'am, can I put your shoes on live so my live can see why everybody's standing out here? If it'll take you a brief second. Look, y'all, these the shoes right here that they standing in line for. The gray 5s. They what they standing in line for, y'all. They hard though, I ain't gonna lie. Thank you for that. Thank you. So y'all, that's what they standing in line for. Thank her for let me look at the shoe. The shoe nice, man. It's hard. But I just really wait till I can just order it. I ain't gonna come and stand on line for it. Y'all paying $150 overpriced for them and all that. Hell no. Y'all gonna wear these shoes 4 times and they gonna mess them up. No. I'm gonna give y'all a few more minutes. Man, I hope my show be like this. AJ a bit like so. Yeah, they nice now. They new shoes nice now. I like them. I like that gray with that little blue on them. But they done got TPD up in here. So I don't know what the play is. But for real though, the line will go quicker. They should let about 10 people in at one time, and then just let the gate back down and be done with it. Ring them up, get them on out of here. For some of them, this gonna be they only peck of the tech, but they gonna lay long. I got over 1,000 views. This is crazy. Yeah, we stand there in the line for the shoes. That's the what you call it down there. Nah. Hey. Nephew. Nephew Jermaine. No, sir. Shoot, these folks been standing in line 50 hours. No, sir. Oh, Lord. Come get y'all Texas file. Nobody want to be they self. Y'all so crazy, man. Y'all so crazy. What's up, bro? Look, y'all, bro got about 5 bags. Y'all check him out. Look at it, bro.
What you doing here buying this shit? I'm telling you, I'm the man with the plan. Next time you want some, come holler at me.
All right, we got you.
That's what my son say every day. You know Trey Young? You know Trey Young? It's my dad. It's my homeboy son, Danny.
All right, yes. All right, bro. But yeah, I ain't never seen how this work with the shoes. So I was just running through the parking lot. I said, oh, some shoes supposed to come out. So I just wanted to come here and see how they work out. Ain't no way. I said, ever stood in line for those shoes.
No, I asked the girl, I said, what's special about them? She said, nothing. She said, it's just a shoe.
It's just a shoe. Yes, ma'am. She said, this ghetto, y'all. But yeah, they was just clowning a few minutes ago. I just knew something. I guess because of the line and who was first and how they opening up and letting 2 people in.
They have to.
Yeah, I see.
This is called mob mentality, baby.
So, I see. You doing all right? Okay.
But this is mine for a shoe.
Right, yes, ma'am. All of them, I guess. This one is Hibbits and Sports Edition. Yes, ma'am.
I don't see it. I'm trying to get one done.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is where they're going to mess up right here. He might need some backup.
You too, I'm over there. Oh. Yes, ma'am. See you later, Miss Jesse. Oh, God. Now, this pretty little lady right here. How you doing, ma'am? You waiting on some shoes? You not? Okay, then. Okay. You doing all right? What's your name? Asia. Okay. Oh, shoot. Now, Mrs. Jones, I can't even lie. These people do this right here without no doggone, without no tax money now. They gonna buy these shoes now. I can't even let y'all do them like that. Shoot, this is whenever a new shoe drop, they come into the mall. Straight up. Real talk now, these folks come here for these shoes, man. Look, y'all, one white man was walking by. He said, I picked, this is white man exact words. I picked the wrong damn day to come in the ball. There's a lot going on. Man, I can do that by laugh, y'all. Yeah, hear me? and let me tell y'all something. If you out here in the mall, I'm the least of y'all were requiring out here recording. Y'all need to be sitting up here worried about doggone getting y'all shoes. Don't worry about me, because I ain't in the line for no shoes. I'm talking about these folks in the line with it. Look at Taboo. Taboo done got here too, pal. Most definitely. That was something the people in line doing for real. Sure, they just gonna turn around and sell them, and they gonna pay you. They gonna buy them. They gonna buy them, baby. My man, they're doing that transaction, boy. What's up, Taboo? Hey, Taboo, you can talk your shit. You were first. You think I ain't seen you? Taboo walked out there like the Grinch with them J's. Shit. Shit. Taboo was already in the line. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him in there. 2 at a time, boss. 2 at a time, goddammit. Well, hold on, man. Let me flip you around.
Man, what's going on here, man? Y'all know what's going on here. Third, you know. I already got my shit gone.
He gone, y'all. They're going there to get them damn J's. Bro, got him too. Look at they call them with them J's. Well, they call them with them biz X. Shit, Chloe got healed some man like a little child, some J. Ah, dang, man. Got $100 jump line to get a size 10 and a half. I ain't like real. Fargo came out here he came out at the ball with about 3 bags. And he came back. He done went to the car and came back. Oh, shit. They going to spend breakfast, lunch, and dinner in that line. Yeah, we got extra, boy. Look, y'all, Hibbies ain't doing nothing. What's up? No, ma'am. I only seen probably about 6 folks walk out there since you been gone. No cap. No cap. Gotta be. Hey, there. Yeah, shit, Jay, I'm sure it did. But yeah, they got a line at the Hibbies. But it's really going down at the Foot Locker. It's really going down at the Foot Locker. Got his shoe, finna come on up out of there. Straight up. Oh, Lord. That's crazy. Yeah, I'll keep hollering about some Trey Dunn. Don't holler my name. Shoes. Stand in line and get them shoes, because I'm not here for those shoes. Look at my shoes busted up. Shoot. These working shit, I work. I ain't worried about no shoes. When I want to get fresh, I'm going to get fresh, but I ain't been standing on line for no shoes. Look at hell, my shoes leaned all over. Look at them. Shit, I'm a working man. Foot Locker, foot wash. Boy, y'all hell. Y'all hell, man. Just get me up here. You feel me? But I ain't capping. I know everybody probably want their shoes when they drop or whatever. But shoot, I'm the type of person, I go and order them and let them come to me a week later. Forget that. Everything, y'all. This is crazy. Lined up for shoe, but couldn't go out them and protest for my boy Luther. That's crazy. Damn. Ain't no more line at the front. Boy. Damn. Motherfucker fighting over $237. Y'all so serious, boy. Y'all hell, man. Y'all hell. Damn it, boy. You doing all right, bro?
You got all the footage.
Yes, sir. They ain't playing it. They said, anybody fight, you going to CJ. The officer looked at me like, what? That's where they going. Dude. That man, he just done it. You get out, you fight, you going to CJ. And that's the county jail. That what he doggone said, and he nodded his head. El Correcto. And him with the yellow, I know he don't play. He ain't come out here for no BS. I wonder what's his name. The officer with the white hat. That man said, we not putting up with this. He said, we taking you in. Y'all have a good one. She got her shoes. She got her shoes, y'all. Shoot. Come on around here. Oh, okay. So if you got a raffle, you go first. And if you just standing, you just got to wait and hope you got something left over. Is that how it work out? Is that how it work? So if you got a raffle ticket, you good. But if you ain't got no raffle, you just got to stand in line and pray that there's something left. Y'all, it's 1,500 people on here. I ain't never had 1,500 people on the live. It's 1,600 people on here. Yeah. So let me run it back by y'all. The people that just not coming on. This is Trey Dunn reporting live and We Got Action. We're at the University Mall. The Gray 5s dropped today. We standing outside Foot Locker. As you can see Foot Locker line long and Hibbett's line long too. But whoever my senior officer is right here with this yellow on, he said, anybody fight, you're going to jail. And then when I said they going to CJ, my man right here, he nodded his head, yes. They let you know they ain't coming to bullshit. You're going. You're out of there. And I'm going to tell y'all something that's so backwards. People will say that don't put me on your live, but you standing out here in public. Make that make sense. Make that make sense, y'all. Don't put you on the live, but you out here in public and everybody else seeing you. Crazy. Crazy work. Crazy work. Crazy work. I wonder if they would gather around like that for prayer. Boy, y'all some serious on here. I'm agreeing with some of y'all, though. I can't even count. But I will take up for my people and say, damn, this just ain't no tax season. They do this whenever the shoes drop. Whatever they drop. We at University Mall, y'all. We at University Mall. My man got his money in his hand for his shoes. He ain't come to play. My boy pulled out a racky rack. Dang. Look at here. You just get to the spades tonight with these bags. You just be at the spades tonight, sir. All on him. Look at it, boy. Somebody edged that boy good, though. That man got a raffle. Let that man in there get his shoes. He got a raffle. That man got a raffle. Let that man go and get him. Get his shoes. That man got a raffle. Look, y'all, let's look at these shoes they came in the mall for. Let's look at these shoes. Check them out. Dang. Look, the officer wanted to know what the shoes looked like. What you said, bro?
I told him I got the shoes for the pussy. You want the shoes, we can buy that pussy.
And he in a scat.
On my mama.
And he in a scat.
Why about it? Too. I mean, why about it, motherfucker? He got down Kitty Curry here.
Oh, Lord. But look, y'all. Look, they got all kind of officers coming up in this bad boy. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. My man here. What's that move? Oh, yeah. Yeah. We finna get ready to ride, though. You ready to ride? Y'all, this gonna be a long process. And then y'all gonna have to wait to go and get y'all an outfit, too. This crazy. She said she tried. She said she tried. He ain't with the bullshit, whoever he is. That also he ain't with the bullshit at all. At all. What the doggone iPhone and good. They supervisor can get here to 12. Okay, they were trying to break the doors down to hit it, Marley. Y'all were trying to push the gate down. No, man. I'm just looking at some of y'all. Talking about, I said, don't put me on live. Some of y'all look like your breath still stink. All types of shit. You may got dried up spit all in your goddamn mouth. You got all kind of nut stains on them pajamas. Them goddamn bonnets. Them bonnets look like they thirsty, dehydrated. And they came out to these good folks' ball looking like that. Dude. They came out here to these good folk ball looking like that. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Dude, just out here. And I pray for y'all the ones that stood in the line and still ain't gonna be able to get no shoes. Oh my God. Your feelings gonna be hurt. Oh, she trying to tell the police what they want them at. They gonna make everybody bag up. They want everybody back right there. That police officer said he ain't got nothing but time. Oh, Jesus Christ. So for the people that are just now tuning in, this is Trey Dunn reporting live for We Got Action. We in Tuscaloosa, y'all, and we are at University Mall where the Jordan shoes have came out, the gray 5s. They are out here waiting on shoes. That's why the line like this, ladies and gentlemen. They waiting on the shoes. So I'm guessing if you won a raffle, you get to go first. And I guess after they do all their raffles, then they let any whoever, do their thing. If it's any left. These folks came out here and got them they shoes. I wonder why everybody at Foot Locker. I wonder why everybody at Foot Locker. I wonder why everybody at Foot Locker versus Hibbett's. I need to find out his name. He ain't with the play. He ain't with the BS. It's oil. Yeah, they do need to do like 10 by 10. I ain't gonna cap. Just let 10 people in. I mean, 10 people. D47 to base. We need some more officers out here at the Foot Locker at University Mall. D56, D56 the home base. They do sound like what the police officers be saying on the radio. Tango 62. Shoot, we got actions. Oh God, what's up, my guy? What's up, brother? They get back behind that pole now. Get back behind that pole. Look at me, she got her shoes.
And I ain't fighting for them.
I ain't like you had a raffle.
I bought it for somebody.
Oh, okay, gotcha. I got you. That was up. This is my first time ever seeing someone that I ain't never came in the mall for no shoes.
I got 3 pairs, but my other 2 coming from Texas. My little cousin, he's sending them for me.
Okay. I know they're right. Yeah. They doing the most. But I don't know. They Foot Locker only letting like 2 people in at a time. Yeah, seriously. They've been sitting out here. They've been doing like 2 by 2. But now they trying to get everybody to go back right there by their pole.
They need to get 2 by 2 in line.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's so crazy.
Okay, well.
I had paid for them.
Okay, I had some Metro earlier. I'm finna go home and work on some calls. I ain't worried about those. I'm finna go make me some money.
But these wrist were fresh and fine.
Yeah, they cool. I can't even count. I showed them to my line. They are nice. Yeah. I like them. Okay. For sure. Oh, I would say the most I've seen somebody come out there with like 2 pairs.
So they probably about one size of each, like one of each size, like a toddler.
Okay.
Like
I see what you're saying. Okay.
They probably doing. That's how I normally go, but she got 2 pairs on her bag.
Taboo, the first person in line. Yeah.
Taboo, the first one in line.
On everything. Taboo, first in line with a boy. Oh, my fault, boo. We got action, y'all. Baby girl throwing them shoes up there on the bar. Man, y'all. For sure. I know they're right. Your little bit.
So the hippies was doing at 12.
I did hear somebody say something about 12. I didn't know what they were talking about.
Yeah, at 12 it'd be like the ones that didn't come pick up their raffles, they come.
I see.
The ones that didn't pick up their raffles.
Okay, so they
I'm sure everybody probably playing their fucking raffles.
Okay.
Or either sold them to somebody else.
Shoot, what I was finna say? Shoot, they still got an hour and 15 minutes here. They gonna wait.
I just hope nobody get hurt today over these shoes.
What? Like for real?
I'm talking about in different states too.
Yes. I just don't have to be driving around And when I see everybody stepping outside, I said, oh, see, James did come. I said, let me go ahead and get me a little footage, see what the hell going on.
Yeah. I said, what's going on?
I don't never be in the mall, no ma'am. No ma'am. Look, just see what's going on. Be your nosy. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is crazy. But hopefully they will do that with the police standing right there.
They better be getting ready to vote for our government like they lying up today.
Bro, there was somebody else just saying on here.
Everybody will be lining up for our new government.
Yes, sir. Yes,
They
sir.
said we need to get Mike.
All right, you take care. Oh, what's up, bro? I think 2. Yeah, I'm going to say 2. Most definitely. Yes, sir. Oh, you good? Go do your thing. Let me find out y'all don't want to be on the camera because somebody gonna ask y'all about some shoes for them. Oh, jeez. Boy, that iPhone so clear. Boy, clear. It's clear. Jesus, take the Wizio. I think the police went inside the stuff. The next time I hear somebody say, Trey Dunn don't put me on my live, I'm going to follow your ass with the phone. Real talk. Because that's pit. Shoot, some of y'all ain't even, half of y'all ain't even seen doggone Chris and Toothpaste this morning. What's up, bro? Cool. Yes, sir. You doing all right? Shoot. Y'all missed the doggone Toothpaste this morning. And the brush. And your front legs kind of flaking up a little bit on the top. The wigs look crusty. Oh, shit. Jesus. But yeah, y'all, what we got going on? We got action. I'm chilling. I don't need no shoes. Them black Air Force One hard though, right there though. I like them. Them nice. And they got the all red ones back there. Them red ones hard. On everything. Boy, it is 2,100 people on this live. Lord, take the wheel. The Foot Locker, where is it, y'all? I don't know about no other place. You don't hear them from Hibbits, no none of that. Shit. The action is at the locker. On everything. What's up? How you doing? What you done went in there about later?
She talking like she
What you bought?
Charlotte Knights and shoes and Charlotte backpack.
Okay. Look, cuz he done walked in the ball so swift, y'all, and he walking on out. He ain't been in here 20 minutes. 20. Somebody sent me a cash out. Alright. Shoot. I got 2,200 views on here, y'all. Yeah. And shit, I'm gonna pop it today. Hey, yeah, I'm making some money off this doggone live. Show lives. Mm-mm. 2,300. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get off mine.
I ain't got nothing else to do. I ain't got nothing but time. How many pair of shoes you bought though?
3.
Okay. Look, she want y'all to see it. You want to be on
Y'all
here?
ain't got these.
Hold on,
Yeah, put me on here. Y'all better come out here because they beat y'all ass up about these. And then hit mess ass out here. God damn, Trey, man, you got no views.
Now look, don't do too much on my view now. The shoes. Look
Is
at
you
she
famous?
scrolling through. You scrolling through my view like this, like you on your live.
You got it going on there.
Bye. Oh shoot. I'm gonna zoom in and let everybody go. I'm finna go. Oh shoot. I ain't lying. Look, y'all, he done walked ahead and got his shoe. Look at him. You ready to roll? All right. All right.
About 4 people going to have 30 pair of socks.
Dang.
They don't have no size 10s left. They don't have no size 6 left. They don't have no 6 left. 7s left.
Wow.
Let's get his Tuscaloosa now like it. You know what we said? We were still in San Antonio?
Yeah.
One is on the here, wrap all the way back down to the food court. You know what I'm saying?
Wow. I got you. That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. Bro got his shoe. Well, y'all. Hey, when you went around, was there some people at Sports Edition?
I ain't go that way. I just went right here around the corner.
Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot all about City Girl. I'm gonna walk around that way. Let's roll there. Everybody, tell everybody to keep telling me. For real?
Right across there.
They fighting? Somebody said they fighting out here. Somebody said they fighting out here. Dang, somebody got to fight out here behind some shoes. Dang. I ain't got anything else going on. Look at you. Somebody got to fight out for real. That's crazy. I was focused. I feel you. I was focused on Foot Locker. Dang, that's crazy, y'all. Right, that's what I said. Ain't no way. Dang. All right, look at her. She got too much money for this. Man, this is crazy, man. Girl, you is thick. Oh, baby. But that's crazy, though, y'all, that they doing there without security. They got all the police down there at the Foot Locker. This is crazy, man. I ain't even see it. I'm on y'all ass out here. I'm on y'all ass out here, you feel me? I'm on y'all ass out here.